Stop waiting for life to change. Your ideal future isn't something you stumble upon, it's something you create. If you've been wondering how to manifest your dream life, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to reprogram your mind, align with success, and attract everything you desire using powerful manifestation techniques that actually work. So, if you're ready to take control of your future, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay till the end, because I'm going to walk you through a guided future self-visualization that will help you step into your best life today. The first key to manifestation is clarity. You can't manifest a future you don't fully understand. Think about what your ideal life actually looks like. Where are you living? What does your daily routine feel like? What kind of work do you do? Who are you surrounded by? Most people fail at manifestation because their desires are too vague. Reality responds to specificity and certainty. There's definitely value in knowing roughly how you want your life to be, and what the feel of it will be, but you also need specific goals that become a part of that general atmosphere. Think about going to a grocery store. You kind of know what you want before you go in, but then you make a specific decision that satisfies you. Take a moment and write down your vision in detail. This is the first step in bringing it to life. Manifestation isn't just about thinking, it's about feeling. Actually, most things in life are about feelings if we're honest. Think about how much your feelings control your life. Life is great when you feel good and bad when you feel bad. It's a huge variable for us. So, what do you think happens when you trick your brain into feeling things that haven't happened yet? It doesn't know the difference. Your brain sees you feeling future feelings and immediately starts transforming you internally to match those feelings. When that happens, everything changes. Your emotions are the magnetic force that pulls your dream future into your reality. Close your eyes and picture yourself already living that ideal life. How does it feel? Confident, peaceful, powerful? This is why athletes, CEOs, and top performers use visualization techniques. Because when you feel it, you believe it, and when you believe it, you take action to make it happen. Life isn't going to drop success into your lap. You have to show up and take action. Every day, ask yourself, what would my future self do today? Start making decisions from that place. If your dream self is confident, start acting with confidence. If your dream self is healthy, make choices that align with that lifestyle. This isn't just about belief, it's about alignment. The more you act like your future self, the faster your reality shifts to match that vision. At this point, you might be thinking, yeah, I know all that, but it's easier said than done. Our minds can be the poison or the antidote, and doubt plus limiting beliefs can be the greatest enemy you face in life. Doubt is the biggest killer of manifestation. If deep down you don't believe you're worthy of success, love, or abundance, you'll sabotage your own progress. Here's what you need to know. Your subconscious mind runs 95% of your daily decisions. If it's programmed with self-doubt and scarcity, no amount of wishing will change your reality. That's why affirmations, visualization, and reprogramming your thoughts are so important. There is a little bit of fake it till you make it that needs to be adopted. You need to be aggressive about reprogramming yourself. You want your internal dialogue to be more like this. I am capable of creating my dream future. I attract success and abundance effortlessly. I release all doubts and step into my power. My thoughts create my reality. I am worthy of everything I desire. My future self is already within me. There are some hacks that catapult your progress when reprogramming that you can use. I link them in the description. Now let's bring your future self into the present. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Imagine you've just woken up in your dream life. Look around, what do you see? How does the air feel? What's the first thing you do in the morning? Now imagine stepping into the body of your future self. Feel their confidence, their power, their certainty. You are no longer chasing this reality. It's already yours. Now open your eyes and step forward with this energy. Your future starts today. You have everything you need within you to create the life you desire. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and bookmark it so you can come back anytime you need a reset. Check the description for powerful visualization tools and mind movies to help you stay aligned with your vision. Now go out and make it happen.